Hello students, today I will teach you how to draw a bird. For bird, you need a pencil, sharpener, eraser and one sheet. Draw a big standing line. Very good. Now draw a small curve. Very good. Now one big curve. Here the letter B is ready. Now for making beak, put two dots. Draw a small beak. For making eye, make a small circle. Now come down, put two dots. Draw 1, 1, 11. Very good. Two small sleeping lines. Touch the corner. Go up with a slant line. Very good. Again, touch the corner. Draw a slant line. Very good. Join them. Here, our bird is ready.